Today we're going to show you a little bit about interior door maintenance, both with the hinges and the screws and the doorknobs. So the first thing you would want to do, if you have a loose hinge or stripped out screws, you can take those out and put those back in. We'll show you how to do that, and also how to clean the hinges and lubricate the hinge pins if needed as well. It's always recommended to remove the hinge screws with a hand screwdriver as opposed to the power screwdriver. Sometimes those will strip out the screws. If you do have a screw that's not staying in tightly, it probably already is stripped, which is easy to do. So if you want to have it screw in tightly, take a wood toothpick and break it up in there with several pieces, and then reinsert the screw, and that extra wood from the toothpick will actually tighten up that screw and make it hold, and it will no longer be stripped. The next, a common item is for the overtime for the door handles to loosen up because of a set screw that's on the handle and fall off. So if you have that happen, it has a set screw here on the side of it, and you need a Allen wrench, the proper size to be able to take care of this. So you put it back on, the Allen wrench goes into that little set screw, and you just turn and tighten, and now the door handle stays on. Another common item that happens with use is that you'll have a squeaky hinge. So the best way to take care of that is to take out the hinge pin, clean it, lubricate it, and put it back in. To take it out, just get it loose with a small screwdriver and a hammer. To clean the hinge pin, you spray it with a clear silicone lubricant. Then you take a rag and kind of clean and make sure it's throughout the pin, and then you just reinsert it back into the door. The one thing you want to make sure of is that your hinge pins are down tight. This one has a hinge bump on it to stop the door from hitting the wall. That also can be adjusted to open or close the door at a different rate and stop it from going into your wall.